Hi there, I'm Stefan, and I'd like to invite you to a free discovery call to explore how our AI automation workshop can be tailored to address your business-specific challenges and goals. Look, many businesses face challenges when implementing AI, often due to uncertainty around specific use cases and applications. And honestly, it has been subject to a lot of hype over the past year. And this technology has a lot of potential, but without a clear strategy, it can fail to deliver the results that you're looking for. The RAND Corporation even states that up to 80% of AI projects fail. Our workshop is designed to give your business the right preparation and strategy to unlock real value from AI and automation. In the discovery call, we'll tailor this preparation phase to your business, ensuring the workshop delivers a customized roadmap and actionable AI projects that drive results. So let's schedule a time to talk about how we can tailor the workshop to your business. Schedule a call below and let's get started.